Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lantern swag simply in the Bowdabra. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I want to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half, put it into my Bowdabra, and also tie it onto my lantern when I'm done. So I'm going to just tuck it under here, and I'm basically just tucking it under. There's nothing that I'm attaching it to. So I'm going to take, now this first bush was actually a bush, but we folded it so that you didn't have to cut it. And then I'm going to add in this little piece here, and I'm going to add in my eucalyptus leaves and my flower here. Let me put that in there. And my flowers here, just lay those in. And then I'll take my lilies, put those down in here, take another lily here. So it's super simple to do. Then I'm going to make my bow, and I'm going to take our beautiful garden ribbon and put that down in here. And then I'm going to start here, twist it, because I want the wrong side of the ribbon on the inside of my loop, and the right side of the ribbon on the outside. Now, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow us on Facebook. That way you'll be notified when we go live. And every time we go live, we pick a winner for a free roll of Bowdabra ribbon. And we'll fold this back. So it's kind of fun, something special we do for people that watch us live. And we'll bring this back over here. And I'm just going to do a little tiny loop to finish it off. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra, take it out. I'm going to separate my ends and bring them around to the back. And I'm just going to tie this off, and I'll tie a knot. And then I'm going to shape everything out. Bring the flowers in here, and my other lily will bring here, and we're just going to fluff this out here, bring my tail around there, make my little loop in the center, bring this around, this, and then I'm just going to take my swag. Oops, I don't want my Bowdabra, I want my lantern. And I'm going to just I'm going to just take this, and I'm just going to tie it onto our lantern. So we just finished tying it off on our lantern, and you have this beautiful spring or summer lantern swag. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.